back to another video of SkillBrew.ai. This is Sohani Parekh, and in this video, I will show you how to download CSV reports and analytics of the assessments. So whether you are checking student progress or evaluating candidates, this will make your workflow much easier. Let's get started. You can see the dashboard. Click on here. Click on the icon of your profile. Switch to organization. Click on organization. Click on the icon of assessment. Click on assessment. Now you can see the list of all the students. Let's say you want to download the reports of top 5 students. Click on filter. Click on top 5. Now you can see the top 5 students here. Click on get report. You can share this report to others. Write their email address. Click enter and click on send to mail. You can also download this report to your system. So you will only get reports for these 5 students. Like this, you can download the filter data, and when you click on send full report, the filter will disable and you will get the report of all the students. And that's how you can easily download CSV reports and view complete analytics of your assessment. With just a few clicks, you can access all the performance data you need to make smarter decisions. So if you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick guides. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.